Okay, it's been about 4 hours since I put that epoxy, since I put this rod back together. So we're gonna make sure this thing is turning the right way, and then we, ladies and gentlemen, are gonna start wrapping it. So thank y'all for tuning back in. Old tape don't want to stick. Thank y'all for tuning back in. I appreciate y'all hanging in there with me, and I really appreciate each and every one of y'all that has subscribed to my channel. Yep, that's what I thought. My tape ain't sticking, so let's get us another piece of tape. That tape must have been dirty. So we're gonna try this again. Yeah, how y'all doing out there? Everybody doing good? Hope everybody's doing good. If you got any fishing pictures or rod pictures, post them. I'll repost them on my channel. Man, it's all about fishing and family and friends. That's what it's all about. That's what I like to do. Ain't nothing better than going camping and fishing with friends and family. Now this may be hard to do, so y'all bear with me. Trying to get this thing sealed up here nice and tight like it needs to be, and we'll see if we can't get it done. I hope that's coming out. I really can't see because I try to do this behind the camera, and sometimes it doesn't work right, and other times it works pretty good. But, for those of you that don't know, this is Wayno's Rod House again. I'm a 75-year-old man that has retired, and I used to work on a shrimp boat back in my younger days. My older brother had a shrimp boat, and I was working on a shrimp boat. I was his deckhand. And I got to working on rods back when he had the shrimp boat, and it would help me supplement my income because there's sometimes we couldn't take the shrimp boat out because either it was broke down or not. It wasn't shrimping season down here in Texas. We have a shrimping season. So when I wasn't on a shrimp boat, I was working on rods down there in a little place called Port Lavaca, Texas. And I just like working on rods, so when I retired 9 years ago, I got back into working on rods. We built this, I call this the Rod House, but actually my wife and I and my neighbor and some of my grandsons, we built this room here, and we used to call it the party room. And when I told her I wanted to get back into rods, I told her I was going to turn the party room into a rod house. She was kind of okay with it, and other times she wasn't okay with it. She said under one condition: when we want to have Christmas and Thanksgiving or having a party, you got to clean up, and we got to be able to use it for our family room. So that's what I do. When we get ready to have something out here, I have to clean up and turn it back into the family room. And I hope y'all can see how that's coming out. It's coming out pretty decent. You won't never be able to tell that it's been broke. Only you that see me put it back together. So y'all just let me know what's your personal best record on fish. I know most of y'all like to fish. Get a lot of y'all that love to fish, and some of y'all are my subscribers, and I've watched some of y'all's videos, but hey, some of y'all got your comments turned off. You should turn your comments on. Let people comment on your videos, because some of y'all got some pretty good videos out there, and I would sure comment on them. I hope this video ain't being too long for y'all. So what we're going to do when we get this wrapped is we're going to epoxy all around this thread, and then shoot, this rod will be ready to go get some more record size crappie. Heck yeah. Yes sir. How's y'all's weather been? Ours down here been rainy. It's just finally drying up. Boy, we needed the rain too, because a lot of our lakes down here, a lot of our lakes were drying up pretty bad. And I watched the thing on YouTube the other day. It told us Canyon Lake, that's a big lake we have out in the hill country. It's been so dry that Canyon Lake has been losing 34 million gallons of water a day. I had to run the video back because I thought I was hearing things. 34 million gallons of water a day. Boy, that's a lot of water. But yes sir, yes ma'am, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Y'all are awesome. We're about done with this. I gotta find my pull string. I don't know what I did with it. I probably laid somewhere and it's covered up with some junk, so I'll just get another one. Pardon me while I get it here. Now this is a pull string. See this here? What we're gonna do with that is we're gonna take it, and I hope you can see this. I hope it shows up. Run it up underneath the thread like that. See how that's run up underneath the thread? And then we're going to go over that about 5, 6, 7, 8 times. It don't matter. It's all up to you. However many times you want to go over it. And we're going to stop it about right there. And then we're going to take this thread and we're going to cut it. Now when you cut this thread, hang on to it, don't let it go, because you'll lose your wrap. Then you'll have to start all back over again and just kind of pull that thread back through itself and get it all up there like you like it. Get all your gaps out of it, and that looks pretty good. Then you take the access thread here, move this camera over here a little bit, take this access thread and cut her off, and that's what you end up with. And now I'm fixing to mix me up some more epoxy, and I'm going to epoxy all this, and there you have it. It'll be ready to go after some more crappie now. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in, man. I'm not going to let you hang around for the epoxy, because y'all probably know how to epoxy. Just when you're mixing it, make sure you get all your air bubbles out of it. This video's done gone 8 minutes, and I know a bunch of y'all probably want to hit that skip button. So hey, thank y'all for tuning in, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Please like and subscribe to Wayne O's Rod House, and hey, we'll see y'all on the next one. Remember the 3 F's: family, friends, and fishing. Until then, hey, go fishing, happy RVing. I love each and every one of y'all. Have a great, spectacular weekend.